$19,500 plus 599.50 D&H equals $20,099.50. SR5 TRD Off-Road, 4.0 LV6S MPI DOHC, 4WD, upgraded wheels, tires, dual exhaust, upgraded Pioneer audio, and Tro package. Come down and check it out. Like new. Materials made to last. If you're looking for an used vehicle in fantastic condition, look no further than this 2006 Toyota Tacoma. You won't need to get out your tools for a long time when you drive this puppy home. You can see the care taken by the previous owner by the mint condition of both the interior and the exterior. J.D. Power & Associates gave the 2006 Tacoma 4 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality. Freeway Ford is Denver's Ford store.